It was like a dream to build something in land of mountain. We don't want to build something like a box design, no. We just wanted it to blend to the nature and it should show justice to the site. Wayanad ennulla location a weekend space allengil oru unwind space vaanannulladu, they also wanted the space like that. There is a location, Wayanadinte oru peak ennu parayan pattunna oru location aanu. It's like a lot of green, lot of landscape, and then we started working on it, like to maintain the levels, and same as like the environment here, we just wanted to be very minimal, and the client also wanted it like that because it's like a weekend home. Our space il nikkannu parayna samayathu we should feel inside out. So while approaching the site, we'll be landing in the car porch along with the mountain view, a fully total 360 mountain view, and we'll be entering to the zero level of this residence, which is a living room. We consider that as a private zone. We'll be going to the next zone, which will be the dining and the live kitchen. So this should be the core. This is the heart of that residence. This is having a view with the mountains, view with the deck, and a live kitchen, which will be totally interactive spaces. Dining space il irikkunna oru samayathaanennundengilum our live kitchen should act like an entire hall. Our gathering ine supportive aayittu vekkan pattunna oru element aayirikkanam. Adana nammude live kitchen our deck space um karyangalokke blend cheyidittu aa oru reethiyilekku nammal adine konduvannittulladu. That's just because to feel that interaction. Oru dining space can be given at any residences, but ingane oru space il or open deck, our open feel throughout the residence, and especially this is having a 3-level contour. I've told you, like our flow create we just wanted to create this much spaces open. It should be fully open. This ellam form edittulladu oru mountain scape like thanneyanu. So bedroom should also be facing another point of the site. So master bedroom is actually facing the mountains of the right side. This is their weekend home, weekend spaces. So our busy schedule nannittu ingane oru space like there should be some difference, like all residents nannittu ee oru project like ettunna samayathu there should be something different. He should feel that difference. Nammal treated woods use cheyidittunde for covering the ceiling, which is like wood aanu. Aesthetically it's wood, but it's a treated wood. You can only see metal and concrete here. Metal, concrete and a wood, touch of wood, that's it, nothing else. A lot of things will bring out a busy concept. I don't want that. Butterfly roofing ennulla concept like nammal vannittulladu is just because our drain namakku engane solve cheyan pattum ennulladum, plus we just wanted to create the alignment with the mountains. First thing which came to my mind when I just saw the site, like I just wanted an infinity pool over here. I was having a correct picture, it should be facing this way. So nammal adina align cheyidadine sheshana the rest of the rooms nammal plan cheyidittulladu. Just wanted to feel home, that's it. A proper blend which shows a justice to the site. That's how we started the design concept. Adinte oru end product angane thanne nammal design cheyda pattern il enna kaanan pattunna, this is always exciting. I'm so happy to see as it is.